Hello, and welcome to our Suncatcher program. My name is Brian Diaz, and I am a My Brother's Keeper peer advocate with LA County Library. Today, I will be showing you the effect sunlight has towards a suncatcher. In this program, you'll be able to make your very own suncatcher and witness how the colors come to life with the sunlight shines through it. Did you know that there are different types of suncatchers? There are colored glasses, crystal beads, mirrors, and any reflective materials that can catch the sunlight. The suncatcher that we'll be making today is also known as the tissue paper suncatcher. Now let's get started. The materials you need for this program will be tray or newspaper, wax paper or a sheet of tissue paper, scissors, foam paintbrush, Mod Podge, pieces of tissue paper, 4 popsicle sticks, glue, and a string. First, take a tissue paper and select your favorite color. Next, cut them into small different shapes and set them aside. Before we begin, place the tray in front of you or spread newspaper on your tabletop for easy cleanup. Take our foam brush and take some Mod Podge and spread a thick layer on top of our wax paper. If you do not have any wax paper, simply use a sheet of tissue paper and apply a thick layer of Mod Podge using your foam paintbrush into the tissue paper. Set it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Once it is dry, place the pieces of tissue paper we cut up earlier and spread them all over the paper. You can create patterns, sprinkle them, or even layer the pieces on top of each other to give it a unique color and look. Move it around and decide on how you want it to look like. Afterwards, apply a layer of Mod Podge to the entire surface. Set it aside until it is dry completely. Did you know that Suncatchers captures the sun's energy light and spread it throughout the color? This is similar to how rainbows are formed. Instead of water droplets, the sunlight is caught and reflect off the colors. When the paper is dry, we can start creating the frame. Grab 4 popsicle sticks and apply glue to one side of the stick and place the stick down onto the suncatcher. Be sure to center 1 popsicle stick on each side of the paper. Add enough glue to have the popsicle sticks hold its shape. Once it is all dried up, take your scissors and cut around the edges of the frame to make it look like this. After that, we can add our string to the frame by gluing it together. Find the perfect spot to hang the suncatcher. Be sure to place it somewhere near a window to capture as much as sunlight and make those colors come to life. I hope you enjoyed this program and learned a little bit about how suncatchers work and the various types of suncatchers. Some of the books I recommend that covers fun and easy program ideas are Do-It-Yourself Bedroom Decor by Tana Smith and Project Kit by Amanda Kingloff. Click the link in the description box for upcoming programs and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Bye for now.